Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Caribbean Cement Company Limited for the first quarter ending March 31, 2024, reported a 12% increase in revenues totaling $7.62 billion compared to $6.8 billion in the corresponding 3 months last year. Caribbean Cement highlighted in its financial report this increase in revenue was driven by the continued strong domestic demand being experienced and the company's capacity to supply the local market. Consequently, net profit for the year for the 3 months amounted to $1.93 billion, a 567% increase from the $289.4 million reported in 2023. Approximately 1,500 new jobs are to come on stream in the tourism industry with the opening of 2 new hotels in Western Jamaica. Tourism Minister Honorable Edmund Bartlett made the disclosure as he opened the 2024-25 sectoral debate in the House of Representatives on April 30. Mr. Bartlett said that the new positions will result from the completion of more than 2,000 new rooms this year. Mr. Bartlett said we will open 750 rooms at Rio Trelawney, and later in the month we will open Princess Grand Jamaica in Green Island, Hanover with 1,000 rooms, and that will provide a new wave of some 1,500 new jobs for people. Tourism Minister Honorable Edmund Bartlett shared with the House of Representatives on April 30 that 29% of all the visitors who come to Jamaica stayed in an Airbnb. This is a new dynamic business model that is revolutionizing the accommodation subsector and is generating income and resources to the ordinary people across the length and breadth of Jamaica, he pointed out. Data has indicated that last year, Airbnb generated an estimated $31.8 billion in gross earnings from 1.3 million guest nights. During trading on May 1, 2024, the following companies valued at $500 million or more in assets represent the overall volume leaders on the main market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Wigton Wing Farm Limited ordinary shares with 9,211,101 units amounted to 52.46% of market volume. Trans Jamaican Highway Limited with 5,359,312 units amounted to 30.52% of the market volume. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 799,442 units amounted to 4.55% of the market volume. During trading on May 1, 2024 on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, the following companies represent the overall volume leaders on the junior stock market, with companies valued at 50 million Jamaican dollars or more in assets. Fosrich Company Limited with 769,267 units amounted to 18.93% of the market volume. One-on-One Educational Services Limited with 670,243 units amounting to 16.5% of the market volume. Caribbean Assurance Brokers Limited with 597,643 units amounted to 14.71% of the market volume. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on May 1, 2024, registered a volume of 234,114 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange valued at $2,368,928 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 65 cents. NCB Financial Group Limited was the volume leader with 90,094 shares changing hands for a value of $262,272.60. Followed by West Indian Tobacco Company Limited with volume of 47,378 shares being traded for $473,407 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 92 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On May 1, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $57.4 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $72.9 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $157.19 and bought US dollars for $155.32. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.87, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $1.07 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $114.70 and bought for $113.63. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $3.81, selling it for $195.05 and buying it for $191.24. For our credit report tip of the day, create a financial plan with your credit mix. Lenders like to see a diverse mix of credit types, such as credit cards, installment loans like car loans, and mortgages. This diversity indicates that the borrower can manage different types of credit responsibly. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update.